Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Minikit, which launches on the 23rd of November at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Now, a little bit of a rare one, this one. I'm actually promoting a product that's releasing on JVZoo. As you know, that's not a platform that I normally promote off. But I'm making an exception because this is really an exceptional release from Cindy Donovan. What Minikit actually gives you, it gives you 7 products that you can give away and which will then also lead people through a sales funnel. Now, they're really good quality products, the actual giveaways, and the way that the funnels are structured, everything is completely done for you. So once you've set up by plugging in your initial affiliate links into the platform, you don't have to do anything else. Everything will work on clockwork for you. Now you'll see underneath on this page actually the demo video from Cindy herself that will walk you through everything. I will take you briefly into the members area as well, show you how easy it is to get set up, but you should definitely watch the demo video that's on this bonus page, which is about 11 minutes long, and it will give you the feeler for how good quality these products are, how people will be opted in, crucially, to a month-long email sales campaign. Now this is done independently of you. You don't need to hook up your autoresponder for this or anything else. An email campaign that will run for 1 month that will guide people back to the paid sales pages for your giveaway product. So each giveaway product has then got a series of upsells. Now the people that you sign up, that you give this these products away to, they are going to be taken through this sales funnel initially, but then over the course of the next month, for a full 30 days, they're going to be sent an email campaign series that is hard-coded with your links in. So it's pretty certain that you're going to pick up some additional sales from that email sequence that you don't have to do anything about yourself. It'll all happen independently of you without you even knowing that it's going on. So this is a really good product, folks. It's one of the best releases on JVZoo this year, in my opinion. And so I've put together some bonuses, and I would urge you to pick this one up. I really would. So if you want to get my bonuses, obviously click on the link underneath this review video. That will bring you through to this page here, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons any time before this countdown timer goes back to 0, at which point they'll expire. Of course, I don't want that to happen because they are exclusive bonuses to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Minikit, because you can always come back to this page afterwards. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. There's Cindy Donovan there, looking lovely as ever. 7 complete lead and product funnels with the members area. You keep 100% of sales. Should have said that, of course, with these products, you will get 100% of the commissions on them. So it's as if you'd bought reseller rights to these products. You're getting to keep all the money yourself. It's not going 50-50 to the affiliate. Hosted websites with entire product funnels. Obviously you don't have to host them yourself. And ongoing affiliate sales from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank using our traffic. The world's fastest website collection, ready in under 1 minute. We will have a look inside the members area. This is actually the funnel mates which comes with this. This is where you will actually set up your funnels inside, and the members area is here, which is the training zone for that. We'll go through that in a minute, and we'll also have a look at the sales upsells. So the front end is $26.47, folks. Is worth every penny of that. The quality of these funnels, I think this is like a $47 or a $97 price point product. That's where I would sort of pitch this at, really. I know that you can't really launch these days at those price points, which is a shame in a lot of ways because it restricts the quality that people can release, really. But certainly this is worth every penny of the the 2647. So let's go back and look at those bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to here. This video that I'm recording is in here. What's Minikit all about? Well, you can use the memberships for yourself. Of course, you'll get access to all of these products. So you'll get an access to 7 amazing training series and resource packs. We'll go through exactly what the products are in a moment. Each could easily be sold for $47 separately, created by experts in their fields. You get giveaway pre-built resource packs, masterfully created to automatically close sales. Or you can sell the products directly, of course, keeping 100% of the profits using our pre-built sales page. And this, I do recommend that you watch this, folks. This, as I said, is the bonus. This is the demo video from Cindy, and you can click the button there. Okay, so bonuses. Okay, not directly related to this, but something that's been red hot this year. You would have seen there's an absolute plethora of products related to cryptocurrency released this year. It's been very hot in our space. So I'm going to show you the 5 best ways to crypto success if you want to get involved in that. Secondly, I'm going to show you 5 killer lead magnets that you can use to get new signups. Next, I'm going to give you 5 super tips for ranking on YouTube if you want to go down the YouTube video route. I'm going to show you 5 ways to get free stuff online. Now, this happened at the end of 2019. Nothing has really changed, folks, because of the pandemic and everything that happened. These methods are actually probably even more sought after now by companies. So I'm talking about you being able to get free stuff, not like digital products, not PLR, stuff like that. I'm talking about actual physical products that companies will ship to you free of charge. If that sounds good, electrical products, gadgets, all the rest of it, then you want to watch this bonus. 5 ways to make $10,000 using private label rights videos. 6 ways to make money on TikTok, red hot platform right now. A 7 days to Instagram success course, 1 lesson, one hour lesson per day for 7 days. 7 steps to a successful blog, and then following on from that, an 8-point plan to monetize your blog once you've got it set up. And also the 8 top high ticket programs in 2021 that you should be promoting so that you can enjoy $500 and $1,000 sales instead of $5 and $10 sales. And of course, you'll get any vendor bonuses that Cindy is giving away herself. So I hope you can see, folks, a good bundle of extras there. Okay, so these are the products that you are going to be able to give away and then obviously sell the upsells. So each of the funnels has 100% commission upsells of $9.97, $22, $27 and $47 price points. That's after they've got the free version. So we've got a Traffic Warrior website, a cloud hosted lead and product funnel, that's the first product. Affiliate Wisdom website, a cloud hosted lead, they're all cloud hosted leads and product funnels. Startup Survival Kit, Launch Rocket, Copy Cash Cow, the Fish Method, and the Social Media Superstar. So products that people will really enjoy. Obviously usual stuff on here like testimonials and so on. You can read obviously all of this for yourself, folks. You can host these yourselves, by the way, if you want to. And if you want the leads to actually be added to your own list, as I said, it's not necessary for the email sequence to happen. These are optional extras, but you can hook up your autoresponder so that you'll get the sales leads yourselves as well. And you can also host on your own domain name if you want to. And that's just a copy of that. So this is an example of the quality of the websites that you're going to be promoting, and giving this away free. So all people do is they watch the sales video to get their free copy. All they do is add their email address, and that will either automatically go into the the in-house email system that will trigger that sequence, or it will go to your own autoresponder if you want to collect the leads. There's that Copy Cash Cow. You can see these all look great. The Fish Method, which is basically the giveaway, is 8 landing page funnels with full unrestricted PLR licenses in hot niches. This is a brilliant product to be able to give away. Number 4, social media superstar. You can read all this for yourself, folks, but you can see the quality of this. Startup survival kit, a practical template to save money when marketing online, and a 1-hour training session. This is by far one of my most popular tools. That's Cindy speaking. And, you know, that again, all of this is free. Affiliate Wisdom, Launch Rocket, and they are your 7 products. So there isn't really anything not to like about this product, folks. It's really excellent from start to finish. 30-day money back guarantee, not that you'd need it. I think it would be very unfair if anyone was to request a refund on this, because there really isn't anything to dislike about it at all. So that is that, folks. So when we go into, sorry, that's the wrong one. When we go into the members area, so first of all, we're going to click on this button here, Minikit, and then this will tell you how to set everything up, how to activate your traffic systems, and also you've got your bonus funnels there as well. And basically with the setup, as I said, I'm not going to go into this in detail because you've got an 11-minute demo video, just to remind you where that is, folks, yeah, to watch, sorry, there, yeah. So do watch that. It's also on the sales page because that is Cindy walking you through it all. But basically, you come to settings here. Okay, that's all you need to do. It's come to settings. You would then, obviously this is a demo version, so like all affiliates that are promoting this have got access. So you can see that D Papa has put his details in there, so I'm not going to put mine, but you can put your ClickBank username, you can put your JVZoo, you can do your Warrior Plus API in there. If you happen to have PayPal, I know a lot of people don't these days, you can enter that there, but you don't need to. If you're on Pay Kickstart, you can put your email in there as well. I know a lot of people aren't on that platform. It doesn't matter. The 3 key ones are just to put in your IDs, because that's where you're going to get the sales from. So your ClickBank ID, your JVZoo ID, and your Warrior Plus API, which is easy to get. And then after that, you just go to funnels and get started. You'll see that the 7 funnels will come up in a second. There we go. And you grab your links and away you go, folks. It's as easy as that. But obviously it's all explained in the training. There's the 7 of them coming up just to show you that. It just takes a little while to load, but they're all there. Okay, now in terms of the upsells, front end, as I said, $26.47. Upsell number 1, similar price point, $27 for Minikit Advanced. You'll get a 10-part video training series to 10 times your results, and you'll be able to access a done-for-you resource bundle for the 10-part video series. So again, well worth picking up. Upsell number 2, OTO2, Minikit source file bundle. This gives you source codes, videos, docs, PSD files, and more to all 7 of the Minikit training bundles, plus a PLR license to customize it exactly as you want. And that is $67 each, folks. Upsell number 3 is the Minikit traffic booster. You can add your, this is well worth considering, folks, if you can afford this, yeah, $147. You can add your links to Cindy's own traffic rotator, and they will send leads into your funnels, grow your lists, and build your business. Completely done for you. So if you want, you know, to take the hassle out of generating traffic, that will be completely done for you. And the Minikit reseller, $47 to sell this as your own and keep 100% of the profits. That's a good price for reseller rights, folks. So all of that is a great funnel, folks. I recommend it all highly. As I said, if you want to pick this up from me, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the button there, and then that will bring you back into your JVZoo receipt area unusually. Click on the green button here to access your copy of Minikit, and then click on the blue button here, you can see in here, and that will give you access to my own bonuses that I've given you. So that is pretty much it, folks. I'm going to give this 5 stars out of 5 because it is a really, really strong release. I hope you will agree with me. All that remains for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath. and also click on that bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Minikit.